Listen.
Listen.
Eight.
And read
The questions
question
and
and
answers.
answer.
A sweet.
Oh,
He a boy.
boy.
Is
Is
he
he
is he a teacher?
is teacher?
No, he is not.
No, is not.
Let's go to the lesson 9. Conversation. What is your name? My name is Sunny. Class. เธอน่าสังเกียน Goodbye แปลว่าลาก่อนคำสิ Young Beautiful New Big Short Her Old and
Masih tenang terus ya kena-kena.